Types of memory first of all, we've got a sensory memory, then we've got a short-term memory, and then a long-term memory. Sensory, short-term, long-term. Now, sensory is something that we experience, something experiential. We could be walking along and a breeze hits your face. That's an experience. So you will log a little memory of that it was cold a certain day. That as I was walking along, this wind hit me in the face, it was very cold. You may not be thinking about it, but your body records it. Your body records everything that's going on. Like I said before, we're born with between 12 to 14 billion brain cells. There's about 2 million bits of information that comes in every second through your 5 senses. That is your visual, your auditory, your kinesthetic, your feelings. So your skin, the breeze as it hits you, your olfactory and gustatory, smell and taste. So through those 5 senses, about 2 million chunks of information comes in. It's coming at you. However, we're only aware of a small amount. We can't take it all in at once, not into our conscious working memory. And so what happens is all of this goes into the unconscious mind. Now, when they take people into hypnosis and do a thing called regression therapy, they can actually go back, and if you've walked past a tree, they can actually go into your mind and you can work out how many leaves are on that tree. Your mind records all of this information, but it does it unconsciously. You're not doing it, like you walk past 10 cars, you've actually seen the number plates somewhere in your vision. You don't consciously think about it as you're walking past, unless you're a trained assassin or something like that, unless you train yourself to do that, but most people walk along and they're unconscious about these things. So it's not that we don't see them, we're just unconscious. However, we unconsciously take in information. So the information's all there. Now, how we get that information, or how we recall that information, is another thing. So let's look at the 3 parts of memory. The first part is preparation, or I should say early learning state. What we want to do is we want to go into an early learning state.